Just a quick tutorial for plasma cutting bits and pieces, like for instance these parts here, which are the basis of our frame kit. Things like that, complicated shapes. What you basically do is design it, put it on your PC. You can design it on cardboard, put it on your PC, and blow it up or reduce it depending on whether you're going to go inside or outside, because obviously the centre of the plasma cutter is a distance away from where it's actually going to cut. So what I do is I cut inside. So what I do is put it on the PC, increase it by 5%, then print it, and then copy it onto what I'm doing on these pieces of aluminium, old gash bits of aluminium. And what you do is you get your sheet of steel that you want to cut it out of, and you place your stencil somewhere on the steel that you're going to get the maximum amount of material usage. So we'll do something like that. Bearing in mind you've got a 5%, you can allow for 5% to not be there, because that's going to be the 5% that you... I'll bring it over here and do it on a clean piece because it will be easier. So there we go. If you have a close-up of that, you can see that I'm allowing a gap here and here because that's going to be my 5% offcut, which the plasma cutter will cut inside that anyway. Now what I find the best thing to do is I've got a solvent-based spatter release here. It's a weld spatter release. Give everything a damn good spray with that, including the plasma tip and the plasma torch. Just makes everything work a little bit easier. Now you should really be wearing breathing apparatus when you're using plasma cutter indoors. I have a welding bench, but because it's so cumbersome, I'm going to do it without. The reason I keep moving around is so that I can pull the torch, because it's much easier to pull the torch through a stencil than it is to try and push it around it. And there you have it. One shape that just needs a bit of finishing.